Shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in. Well, in the latest updates coming in, the Constitutional Bench has resumed hearing on the presidential reference made by President Droupadi Murmu. The reference was made under Article 143 and it was made seeking clarity on 14 key questions related to the power to assent to bills. My colleague Sambhav Sharma with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Sambhav, what is the latest that we are tracking?
Reference hearing in the Supreme Court is going on. High-Judge Constitutional Bench is hearing this particular case where the presidential reference made by President of India Droupadi Murmu under Article 143 seeking clarity on some 14 questions. So, already 3 days of hearing happened in the Supreme Court, and today, again, the Supreme Court resumed to continue the hearing. The court has fixed the timelines. One of the major constitutional questions here includes whether courts can set a timeline for the president or the governor to act on the bills passed by legislation. But here what is very important is the remarks made by Supreme Court, the Chief Justice of India, oral remarks made by him in the Supreme Court during the hearing. The Chief Justice of India has asked why president or governor can sit indefinitely on bills passed twice by both houses of legislation, and also the CJI observed that while courts can't fix strict timelines, which we agree, but they cannot remain powerless against prolonged inaction. This is what is observed by, this was an oral observation by Chief Justice of India, and also he said, we appreciate that we can't fix timelines, but if someone sits with will the court be powerless, is exactly what he said. And 20 to 25, 35 days of delay is fine. But one bill of 2020, he was referring to a particular bill of 2020, it was not cleared by the governor till 2025. He was talking about one particular bill of, here he said this particular statement by him. And 5 years, even then, we are powerless. We cannot interfere. These are the very important observations when it comes to presidential reference hearing, and the CJI has said that courts should not presume, in a way, the court has observed that, on one hand, CJI is in a way agreeing that while courts can't fix strict timelines, but they also cannot remain powerless against such kind of prolonged inaction. And the hearing is again going on in the top court of the country. Senior Advocate Harish Salve is making argument in the Supreme Court.
All right, Sambhav, thank you so much for joining us, sharing all those details with us. Let's quickly shift our focus to some developments that we are